yeah, it's time to go get that fixed. As y'all can tell from the thumbnail and the title of this video, my check engine light is on, so I'm getting ready to take it to the shop right now. Normally, my dad or my brother would help me, get this stuff under control, but both of them are out of town. They work out of town now, so we're not able to do it as a family. But I am going to take the Jeep to my cousin, so it's still going to be in the family. So I'm also going to get him to do an oil change and just do an overall check of the Jeep and make sure and just see why this engine, what the code is. Well, I know what the code is. It's a P2096, but just want to go ahead and let him check it out. He's a mechanic. Let him tell me what it is and what it's not. And hopefully he can have it fixed very soon and we could be back in business. But I'm on my way to his shop right now. It is a very foggy day, so I got to keep my eyes on the road. And man, these Jeeps know they can beep a lot, bro. Keep my eye on the road and keep my eye out for deer and stuff, bro, because it's crazy. We can do a little POV drive real quick though, not nothing crazy, but yeah, the suspension is also very firm. Like, you can feel just about every bump in this thing, and I do not like that, so I'm gonna try and get that checked out as well. I've never owned a Jeep before. I love this car so much, but there are some things that I need to get fixed on it. So this is one of the things I'm gonna go ahead on and get fixed on it right now, because I'm gonna have to get my tags and stuff soon. And yeah, this road is very bumpy too, y'all. I apologize. But yeah, guys, so I will catch y'all at the shop. I don't like how bumpy this road is, so I'll catch y'all later. We'll do a POV later, for real.
3 weeks later.
Put it on my Snapchat. Oh, they was going crazy.
Oh, really? They want it, don't they?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That door ain't closed. These things they're so rare. Yeah. It's all-wheel drive.
Oh, that's why this difference so nasty.
Yeah.
That's why. All-wheel drive, get it done.
Well, I'm telling you, tear somebody up. I can't wait. I'm gonna get this thing right.
Yeah. Put up. I got that chicken engine light hasn't come back on. So.
Okay, good.
Y'all gonna leave it on first.
Oh, okay. So this the whole thing.
Mm-hmm. So the
all
little
the
top
way
of the strut, the whole top of the strut is rusted. Yep, and down here. Yep. So eventually, how rusted it is, it's gonna come apart there. And I don't want you to hit a bump in that thing,
It's
separate
hot,
right there. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
And it's like this all the way around.
Pretty much. And see, I can't judge it by the exhaust because it's got stainless exhaust all the way through.
Oh, so they put a new system up there.
Oh yeah. But you see this exhaust. It's cool.
What? That's why it sounds so good.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
See, this is the only one that we have, Couture, that looks like it's been replaced.
Okay.
This one right here.
Yeah.
Outside of that, you see this one.
Yeah.
See how your tower and stuff, like it's pretty rusted.
Yeah, that looks bad. Okay.
Yep. And then see, we ain't have to worry about your
Yeah, I see that. I thought they had cut the cats off.
Me too. So up front, you see how your springs up there?
Yeah.
How rusted your springs are?
Yeah. I see.
Yeah, that could be a bad day.
Right. No, that's not good at all.
Now, this side, same thing.
Yep.
Now, your spindle has got some surface rust, but it ain't, you know what I mean? It ain't as bad.
Oh my God.
Look at that thing.
Then you gotta see this. Yeah, see this.
I got the new one right here. You still ain't beside it.
Oh, you already got one in. That looks brand new. That's what I'm talking about. That's nice.
Even the shaft, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that joker is wow. Okay. Cool beans. All right, guys. So on this side is the one that's rusted, and this one is the one that's brand new. Obviously, you can tell the difference, but they working on it now. He's up on all around. The babies, my babies. I got 2. Yeah, he'll be 2 in August. Yeah, so there's that, and then this is rusted too, really, right here. Now, Jay, you're not replacing this, are you? You're not replacing this, right?
I was kind of,
This-
you know. No. The spring,
Okay.
No. I thought you was talking about this shop.
Yeah.
Because, you know, this one's brand new. If I do put this one on, what we'll do.
I actually thought this one was new, but that's the same one that's been on there, right?
Yeah, this one's been on here.
Okay.
I was going to say, we'll probably keep that one as a spare.
Okay,
you know
yeah.
What I'm saying? Since it's new, you know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah.
You know.
I'm with it.
Yeah.
All right.
Record?
Yeah.
I got nervous. Yo, why did I get nervous like that, yo? Alright, y'all, what's going on, YouTube? I'm back with another video. As y'all know, my car has been in the shop. I'm actually looking at it now. But yeah, my car. My car has been in the shop. Literally feels like since the day I bought the daggone thing. But I am here at En Route Auto Center. They got cars here. Y'all can come buy a car. They'll come fix your car. And yeah, so as y'all know, my shocks were rusted out and the ride was very, very firm. So now they fixed all of them. So we can look at it now, bro. So here's the line right here. I gotta go inside, get the key. But we do have new shocks all the way around the car. And I think they also fixed the AC for me. And who knows what else they did. They take real good care of me here, real good care of the car. So yeah, we're gonna do our first drive in the car with the new shocks and everything going on. So y'all stay tuned. Yeah, guys. So I'm in the whip, and bro, this junk already feel a million times better. I'm sorry. I wish I had somebody to hold the camera and everything, but I ain't got nobody. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is smooth, baby. This thing riding real smooth. Man, big shout out to En Route Auto Sales. To my cousin Jay and Chris. Appreciate you guys. Man, y'all got me all the way together. Can't even lie about it. This is, oh yeah. This is what it's supposed to be right here. This is what it's supposed to be. That's crazy, bro. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, it is the next day, and we are out here with Hanan. We even got a special guest in the back. Come on, that's my brother car right there, 240. Y'all always used to comment, whose 240 is that in the back? It's my brother's car. He's got his own channel, I'll link it below. But now we're going to do some flybys for y'all to end out the video. Since the shocks are good, now we can get really into business and start racing this thing. So, yeah. Excuse us for a brief intermission. I realize I haven't showed y'all under the hood. First off, this thing is massive. It feels so much bigger than what Temple was. Well, actually, you know, the whole car is, but this engine just looks bigger. And then definitely got the cold air intake, which looks really good. Oops, sorry, bro. Looks really good. And okay, so show me what you saw yesterday.
Right here, down there. You see right there, it says K. I think it says KDDA or KDDK.
Yeah.
Those are headers.
Okay, so it's got headers on it.
Yeah, those are not stock headers.
Oh, wow. Okay. Thank you, previous owner.
Yep. They got headers, exhaust, cold air intake. And
So the only thing is it has not been tuned yet.
right.
But everything else, okay. That's what's up.
And the reason to let you know it's not been tuned is because it ramps only to 4K.
Yeah, it only went to 4. Yep.
That's the safety. And most people take off that, most tuners take off that safety. So
That's the first thing they do. Yeah, but y'all, this engine looks good. To be buying it used, looks amazing. With the mileage it has, looks great. Runs great, sounds great. So, yeah, we about to be cooking, y'all. We're going to be doing way more with this than we would have with the Charger. Just going to be 100% honest with you. Because it's all-wheel drive and it's a beast, boy. And there's going to be something sitting here. Or maybe something sitting over somewhere. Hey, just stay tuned, man.
I'm with it.